Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A15 to get rid of a forgotten PIN, pattern, or password. Now keep in mind that a hard reset will wipe away all the user data from the phone, including the password, PIN, or pattern. The only thing that will remain on the phone is the Google account. Now once you hard reset and you're trying to set up the phone afresh, you'll still need the password or the credentials of the Google account that's on this phone right now. Okay, so let me show you how to hard reset. So what you want to do is, since the phone is on already, you want to force a shutdown by pressing and holding power plus volume down until the phone goes off. As soon as it goes off, you want to shift from volume down to volume up while still holding the power button until the Samsung logo appears. Then you can release the power button and continue holding the volume up button, and that should put the phone in recovery mode, from where you can proceed with the hard reset. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so you want to preferably have the screen of your phone on, rather off. Okay, so press and hold the power and volume down. Press and hold. Just keep holding. Keep holding. Just keep holding. The screen goes off. Switch to volume up. But just continue holding. Samsung logo appears. Let go of the power button, but continue holding the volume up button, and that should put the phone in recovery mode. Now, in case it doesn't work the first time, you might need to perform 1 or 2 attempts. Now, if the phone was already off, then you don't need to press the volume down. All you had to do was long press side button plus volume up until the Samsung logo appears, then let go of the power button while still holding the volume up button. Anyway, now that we're here, scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, and we are scrolling using the volume rockers. Okay, so volume down to scroll down, volume up to scroll up, and then you're going to be using the power button or the side key to select. Okay, now that you have wipe data / factory reset highlighted, press the side key. That's going to ask you if you're sure you want to wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. So if your SD card is encrypted, all the data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Okay, so to proceed, scroll down using volume down to factory data reset, and then press the side key, and that should wipe all your data. You can see the progress at the bottom. So it's saying wiping data, and it eventually said data wipe complete. And that means we are now ready to reboot the phone. So make sure reboot system now is highlighted, and then press the side key to reboot the system. Now this should wipe all the data. I mean, the data has already been wiped. This should start the phone back on the original startup screen. So on the startup screen, you can now set up your Galaxy A15 afresh, but you'll notice there's a padlock icon in the top left corner of the screen. That means the phone is still locked. So as you're setting up, let's just quickly set up. Of course, we have that, and then we're going to set up manually. And as you can see, an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. Connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network to verify your identity. So you do have to connect to Wi-Fi or even a mobile network in case you have a SIM card inside, so that you can be able to connect to the internet and verify your identity by signing in to your Google account. So connect to Wi-Fi. Then hit next. And now it's going to ask for a pattern. But remember, we cannot remember the pattern because that's the reason we were hard resetting the phone. So tap on use my Google account instead. So tap on that. And then log in with your Google account. And once you successfully sign in, it's going to allow you to continue with the setup process. So it says the previous Google account on this device has been verified. So you can either choose to continue with that account by selecting add previous account, or if you want to change the Google account for this phone, you can tap on use new account. But for most people, it's the same account, so tap on add previous account. And that will allow you to continue with the setup process, and you can now set up your phone all over again. Okay, so just continue with the normal setup process from here. Now, if you want to maybe even copy data from a previous phone, you can go ahead and do that. But let's go ahead and tap on don't copy because I want us to set this phone up afresh. You'll also have the option to restore data you had backed up. So I'm going to choose that option for me because I had backed up my phone. And it's going to ask me what I want to restore. I'll just choose to restore everything. So that means you're going to have most of the data you had before. So here, protect your phone. You can set up a new fingerprint, pin, password, or pattern. I can just skip. I can do that later. We're basically setting up a phone afresh, okay? I'll just quickly skip this. So tap on later. There you go. And so we are now back into the Samsung Galaxy A15 without a password. Okay, so now you can lock and unlock your phone without a password, or maybe if you had selected a new password during the setup, you can now use a password. So now you can go into the settings and set up another password, pin, or pattern. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.